wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fena Amelia, NPM 2341239, class accounting 23A, and this is characteristic and education management. Okay, and this is the definition of education. Education is the result of selecting the best alternative from several available choices to achieve certain goals. In daily life and organization, education are very important because every action begins with a decision-making process. Decision making is not only carried out by organizational leader, but also by every individual in determining the best ways to solve problem. Therefore, the ability to make good decisions is essential to achieve goals effectively and efficiently. Key point. 1. Using the best alternative. 2. Aiming to solve problem. 3. Requires careful consideration. And 4. Can be done individually or in groups. Okay, and characteristic of discussion. Characteristic of decision making. Every decision has certain characteristics that distinguish it from ordinary action. These characteristics help individuals understand how decisions are made and their impact on individual and organization. Decision characteristic: 1. Has clear objective. 2. Contains risks and consequences. 3. Requires several alternative choices. 4. Dynamic according to situation and condition. And 5. Requires rational consideration. And 6. Influenced by internal and external factors. And this is type of education. 1. Program managed education. Education that are written and already have basic procedure. These education are usually simple and commonly occur in organizational operation. An example employees work scheduling, attendance management, daily administrative management, and 2. Non-programmed discussion. Discussion that are unique and require deeper analysis because they are related to problems that have never occurred before. An example, determining new business strategies and handling company crises and facing market competition. And this is definition of education management. Education management is the process of organizing, managing, and determining education systematically so that organizational goals can be achieved properly, and management decision making must be based on accurate data, information, and analysis to product effective education management. And this is objective of education management. And 1. Solving problem effectively, and 2. Reducing the risk of error, and 3. Improving work efficiency, and 4. Helping achieve organizational goals, and 5. Facilitating coordination within the organization. And this is education management process. Steps of decision making: 1. Identifying problem, and 2. Collecting information, 3. Determining alternative solution, and 4. Analyzing and evaluating alternative, and 5. Using the best education, and 6. Implementing the education, and 7. Evaluating the education result. And this is factor affecting education. Internal and external factor of person education can be influenced because various factors, both internal and external. These factors determine the quality and outcome of the education made. Internal factor and experience, knowledge, emotion, and personality, way of thinking, level of self-confidence, ability to analyze problem, and external factor, work environment, economic condition, and time pressure, available information, social and cultural influence, technological development, and the last, organizational conditions. And this is education management techniques. Techniques used in education making to product goods education. Organization usually use several education making techniques to make the process more effective and objective. Decision-making techniques, brainstorming, deliberation or discussion, routine SWOT analysis, con and benefits analysis, education tree, consultates with expert, analysis of data and report. The purpose of using techniques and make problem solving easier, reduce the risk of error, determining the best alternative, helping organizational achieve their goal. Impact and example of application. Impact of good discussion, organizational goal are achieved, productivity increases, better work relationship, organizational develop well, trust increases, employees' performance becomes more optimal, and impact of publication. And company losses, internal conflict, decline in performance, loss of trust, decreased work motivation, error in achieving target, an example of application in daily life. Using a college major, determining activities priorities, managing monthly expenses using a chart, example of application in organization, recruiting new employees, determining marketing strategy, developing new product, decision-making during crisis. And the last conclusion, the characteristic and management of education are essential to both life and organization. Good education must be made logically and systematically, considering various alternatives and risks. With proper education management, organizational goals can be achieved effectively and efficiently. The ability to make education is also an important factor in the success of individual and organization because the right education can have a positive impact in the long term. Okay, thank you, and I eat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.